Unraveling, Two Hearts as One, a deep dive into love and unity. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a beautiful and poetic expression in the English language. Two hearts as one. This phrase is rich in emotion and symbolism, often used to describe a deep connection between two people. If you've ever wondered about its meanings and uses, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the heart of this expression and understand why it's so powerful. The phrase, two hearts as one, is a metaphor that beautifully illustrates the idea of unity and deep emotional connection between two individuals. It suggests that despite being two separate beings, their hearts, symbolizing their emotions, desires, and soul, beat as if they were one. This expression is commonly used to describe a strong bond of love, empathy, and understanding between people, often in a romantic context but also in deep friendships and close family relationships. Two hearts as one is not just limited to everyday conversation. It finds its place in romantic literature and poetry, where it's used to depict the intense connection between lovers. Wedding vows and speeches, symbolizing the commitment and unity between the couple. Songs and movies, often highlighting the theme of love and connection. Cultural expressions. In some cultures, this phrase encapsulates the ideal of unity and harmony in relationships. Understanding the phrase, two hearts as one, also invites us to reflect on the importance of unity in relationships. It emphasizes empathy and understanding, truly listening and being present for each other. Shared goals and dreams, working together towards common objectives. Emotional support, being each other's pillar of strength during tough times. Mutual respect and love, honoring each other's individuality while growing together. For English language learners, incorporating expressions like two hearts as one into your vocabulary can enrich your communication, especially when talking about relationships. It allows you to express complex emotional states and connections more vividly and poetically. Remember, using metaphors and idioms can add depth to your conversations and writings, making them more engaging and relatable. We hope this exploration of two hearts as one has opened your heart to the beauty and depth of English expressions related to love and unity. Such phrases not only enhance our language skills but also our understanding of human emotions and connections. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the heart of English. Until next time, keep learning, and may your relationships always beat as one.